Hi y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and I'm in front of my garage, and I don't know if you can see in the background, but got the 350 SL sitting here, and we're gonna bring the car out into the sunlight for the first time since how many months there, Jose? Have been about 3 months sitting in this garage. Okay, so we got the rear bumper on, got the soft top cover on, but still have a fabric issue, so we'll deal with that at some point. But right now, we're going to get this thing out in the daylight, kind of inspect the paint job, maybe do a little wet sanding and buffing and so forth, because here today in Nebraska, it is a gorgeous day. I mean, a gorgeous day. There are people out mowing their yards, and I've actually been out messing in a garden, which that might be another video coming too. Old Jeff here at Jeff's Cars, does know how to plant and raise vegetables. So I'm gonna get in the car. We're gonna go ahead and start the car and gonna back it out, and let's see what she looks like in the daylight. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and roll the windows down so that it, we kind of look normal. Oh shoot, and I've got, crank handle's not on this side, but let's go ahead and we still got tools in here. All right, here we go. Let's start it and we'll let it warm up just a little bit. I've got it on ramps. Still got a lot of cleaning to do yet, but man, I got a pocket full of keys. I gotta get rid of these keys. Hold on, folks. I'm gonna get rid of some of the keys that are in my pocket because I've been shuffling cars around. There's a lighter that I had to go find in the house. Okay, there's all the keys. Now. Sorry for the delay. What the heck? You gotta be kidding me. We may have a neutral safety switch issue.
Oh yeah, that's
right. All right, here we go. Yeah, we need to adjust because I'm showing in neutral, but I'm in reverse. Down the ramps we come. Brakes are still a little bit might want to swing the camera around there, Madison. Alright, so let's test the wipers. Yes, we have wiper. Alright, well, I'm going to let it run a little bit and get out. I think we still have a vacuum issue someplace. I don't know, folks. What do you think? It sure is bright. Still a little bit of work yet to do, but there you have it. The reveal of the car as it's come out of the garage. I'm going to take the camera off and kind of go around it a little bit, just so y'all can see the car. I got some masking tape off. Hey, it's starting to smooth out. What was once red is now white. There you have it, folks. She is running, and you can see the AMG plain as day on the front. And we'll just kind of end this video here. The reveal of the 350 SL in all its glory. There's still a lot of stuff yet to do, but now it's smoothed itself out. I think that you know, without it being run and driven a little bit, I think Huey, I think we need to go around the block a couple of times.
Yeah, I think so.
I think so. I think so.
It's a nice day. Why not?
Exactly. All right. So there you have it. We're going to take a cruise around the block, just so that you know, we can kind of, I guess, work its you know, kind of grease its joints a little bit.
There we go.
All right, folks. Hey, listen. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hit subscribe if you want to continue to follow the progress on this car. Thank you.